that's another interesting point, just because of my sales background. Because imagine, as a sales engineer position, you need to do the POC, proof of concept, POV, proof of value, to try to convince customers to buy your product, and your product it's really good. So imagine working in a solution that is a protect against the threats like antivirus, IDRs, or something like this. How you can convince the customer that your solution is really good during the POC? They should receive an attack during POC. Don't make sense, right?
Yeah.
But sometimes when I installed this solution in a company and the company received an attack, the analyst came to me. Did you talk with your friends to try attack us?
Yeah.
And that time I thought, okay, maybe I need to convince my customer in another way. So based on that, I decided to create an offensive environment and defensive environment. So I explained it to the customers how the attacker really works in a real scenario. And I attack this environment, and after that, I protect the environment.
So was there a staging environment that was set up to simulate?
Exactly. To simulate things. Based on that, I could, share how the attacker, they create new techniques, and I could, increase my skills based on offensive perspective. So based on that, I start to study a lot of things about offensive security, gain these skills. In 2019, before the pandemic, I received the offer to move into Poland, to working in a big company called EPAN System. It's a software house.